Let us spill this already spilled juice and get into some drama slash soapy news. Guys, in Smoke and Mirrors, we know that Thabiseng's body was never found after whatever incident happened after the wedding or before the wedding, right? Now, there is a report on Twitter that says Thabiseng's body gets discovered and Caesar and Jason are going to frame Mteto for Cindy's murder, and will also paint him as the town serial killer, linking him to all the murders in town, including Thabiseng. Remember, Mteto was their best friend, right? Mteto was their ride or die, like they were for some year. All right, fine. And then it continues to say, with Caesar's help, Thandiswa gets away with murder again. The coal business continues to bring problems for Caesar, but can he survive this? And expect the arrival of a new character. Guys, it's going to be lit. When I watch Smoke and Mirrors and tell me ukuthi vele uLokhunje Umthethwa sekayi serial killer ye Smoke and Mirrors. But while you're at it, please do like, share and subscribe.